guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's just get right into it. So I'm underlining my eyebrows with MAC's eyeshadow in charcoal brown, and I basically just outline my entire eyebrow with this eyeshadow, and then I fill it in lightly with this because soon I'm gonna go in with a deeper and darker eyeshadow to add depth and dimension to my eyebrow, and that color is called Mystery, also by MAC. To set my eyebrows, I love using my Milani eyebrow gel. This stuff is really inexpensive and it is comparable to Anastasia's clear brow gel, but you know, just a fraction of the price. So if you are on a budget, try this stuff. You might like it. I do. Also, I know that my eyebrows are looking really juicy right now, but I promise it dries clear and matte, and you can't even notice that I set it with this wet eyebrow gel. So before and after, just, you know, the magic of cameras. Anyway, so I prime my eyelids with the Milani eyeshadow primer, and this stuff is also comparable to the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, blah blah blah. So Too Faced Salted Caramel with my Sigma E40, and then I'm gonna go in with Semi Sweet from the same palette, and this brush is from Sonia Kashuk, and I love using it to just pack on color. Yeah, so just gonna blend out with a Sigma E25, blend out even further with a Sigma E40. I just wanted like a really diffuse blended look, and you know the secret to makeup is blending. So just keep blending, and then when you think you're done, you're not, blend some more. Okay, so next step is applying glitter glue. It doesn't have to be this stuff, it could be any, you know, sticky medium that you have, or it could be MAC Fix Plus. So I just put this on my MAC Melon pigment, and it is this really gorgeous iridescent duochrome pigment from MAC. Duh. So yeah, just put that on again with the same brush and blend any harsh lines. Then I'm gonna go in with my NARS Via Veneto black eyeliner. I really love this stuff because it doesn't smudge on my lower lash line. And a little trick, if you find it hard to put on eyeliner on your top lash line, just hold it up with your eyelashes and then you can draw it and it doesn't tickle as much. Then I'm going in with Kat Von D Trooper, and this stuff is my Ride or Die. I love this eyeliner. It's just so easy to use, and it's so black and it doesn't fade or smudge. And yeah, it's not waterproof though, but my eyes aren't really juicy anymore, so yeah, I've just been sticking to it. So we're just gonna prep my lashes for eyelashes, curling them with my Shuamura eyelash curler, and then putting on a really light coat of Miss Manga just to blend my natural lashes with the falsies that I'm going to be applying. And these are the Flutter Lashes Chantel, and they're so pretty. They look kind of weird in the box, but on they look so natural and just really fluffy and long. Now I'm just mixing Salted Caramel and Semi Sweet on a flat shader brush to apply it on my lower lash line and just blending that out really well. Just doing this to add a little bit of dimension just so like the bottom lash line doesn't look so flat. Now I want my eyes to look really bright, so I'm using Tarte's Inner Rim Brightener, and this just makes your eyes look a little bit whiter and brighter. Duh. So making my eyes look a little bit bigger by applying my Clinique Bottom Lash mascara, and this stuff does not smudge. I'm taking Marzipan from the Too Faced palette to add light to the inner corner of my eyes. Then I'm going to contour with the Bomba Haba Mama and my NARS Ita brush. And this brush is pretty awesome, like I have to say. It makes contouring so easy, but it's so expensive, I'm not gonna lie. And then just a little bit of a flush of color with my Kat Von D Wish blush. And then I'm going to take my the Balm Berry Luminizer highlighter on my e.l.f. I think this is a blush brush, and I think it was like $3, but it's so amazing. It's cheap, like $3, and it's a good brush. And then I'm gonna line my lips with Milani Spice just to get a crisp line that you usually don't get from a regular lipstick. And the lipstick I'm going to be using is by Gerard Cosmetics in 1995 for just a really simple, nice pinky brown color. Set my face with Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and I think I'm done. Just gonna let my hair down, and ooh, what a mess. So I curled it just a little bit. I do have a tutorial on how I curl my hair, and I'll link that down below too. And this is a finished look. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.